Hi, this is KiKi's Japanese Kitchen. Today's recipe is Komatsuna tuna salad. Komatsuna is also called Japanese mustard spinach. It tastes a bit better and is known for its impressive nutrition, including vitamin C and calcium. This is one of the easiest recipes as it probably takes less than 5 minutes to cook and you don't need to use a pan. So let's talk about today's recipe. Let me introduce the ingredients and the seasonings we will be using today. Komatsuna 1 pack, 1 tuna can, sesame oil 1 teaspoon, mayonnaise 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 1 tablespoon. You can also add 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger or sesame to change the flavor. First step is to wash komatsuna and cut every 4 to 5 centimeters. Second step is to add little water to put microwave for 2 minutes. Third step is to add the sesame oil into the bowl and mix with komatsuna. You can remove the remaining water if you like. You can also use hot water and boil komatsuna, but it is going to be easier to use microwave in my opinion. Fourth step is to add the tuna and the rest of the seasonings and mix it. Before adding tuna, please remove the oil from the tuna can. Komatsuna is a winter vegetable in Japan, so you may find it more during the winter season. If you are living in foreign countries, you may find it Japanese, Korean or Chinese supermarkets. That's it, you have made Komatsuna tuna salad. I hope you enjoyed making Komatsuna tuna salad with me today. Thank you for watching KiKi's Japanese Kitchen. If you like it, please don't forget to thumbs up or leave a comment below. Subscribe for more and I'll see you next time. Bye!